So today's topic is synchronization in Java thread. What is synchronization? Synchronization in Java is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to any shared resource. Why we use synchronization? Because to prevent thread interference and to prevent consistency problem. So here the block diagram, we can see control multiple thread execution. Only one thread enters synchronized area, single resource, overcome problem in multi-thread. Single resource may give wrong result. There are two types of synchronization: method level synchronization and block level synchronization. Firstly, we will talk about the multi-level synchronization. Multi-level synchronization, let's consider a real life example. Here we can see a bank has 5,000 taka. Three person T1, T2 and T3 wanna withdraw 5,000 taka in the same time, but normally if they withdraw 5,000 individually, then the total will be 15,000 taka. That's not possible. So in the Java, method level synchronization used to reduce this problem. In this problem, the T1, if the T1 person go to the bank to withdraw 5,000 taka firstly, then this person will get the amount, but at the same time T2 and T3 will be waiting for withdraw the amount. As I mentioned earlier, T1 already withdraw the amount, so T2 and T3 will be see the message that amount is not available. Here you can see the solution of method level synchronization. So T1 will get the amount of 5,000, but T2 and T3 will not get the amount. Second synchronization is block level synchronization. Let's consider a real life example: public void hotel. In this hotel, let's one sweet or chocolate will be taken by T1, T2 or T3. In T1, T2 and T3 will go to the hotel in the same time, but in this block they will be, after entering this block, let's take the sweet. Here we can consider a spoon table to collect the spoon. So if T1 is going here first, he get the spoon and collect the sweet and become the first person to collect it. But in the same time, T2 and T3 will waited for the sweet. When they come here, the sweet already is not available. So it can be easily said T1 will get the sweet, T2 and T3 will not get the sweet or chocolate. That's the synchronized block. We can easily say when multiple thread coming, the problem occurs, then the synchronized perform the solution to the thread. So block level and method level synchronization difference is, in the block level the synchronization come to the block and continue the processing of method, but in the method level synchronization, in the method level, method outside the block waiting for this thread, it occurs time complexity higher than this block level synchronization. Thanks for your attention. Keep supporting. A like would be appreciated.